Hello everybody, and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorial. Today we are going to be working on our Just Journal January journal prompts, and today's day 12, which is secret. So we're going to be making this little garden gate hidden tag. It's going to be really quick and easy, nice and fast for your guys' projects. So for this we are going to be taking this card that I printed on cardstock from the COTTAGE Charm journal kit. And we are going to be cutting out pieces from both pages. So we are going to cut out the cottage and the tree and the flowers around it. There are several cottages and gates that come with this kit, so you can use whichever one you like. This is just the one I picked. So we're going to cut out the house, and then we are going to also cut out the gate. Just like this. And the house is going to go in the back while the gate goes in the front, sort of obscuring the house. And we're also going to use this little tag from the same kit, and this is going to be our hidden tag that we use. So we need to make a pocket for this. So to do that, I'm going to be taking the gate and I'm going to cut out that scrap from earlier. This is the same card that we used. I'm just going to cut out this top portion here and make a little pocket. So I sort of just traced around it until it fit with the gate sort of shape here. And then I'm going over it with just a little bit of distress ink, and I also added like a decorative paper to the pocket. That's completely unnecessary, it's just up to you if you want to or not. And then adding glue to the sides and the bottom of that pocket piece, we're just going to glue it down, and that'll give us our little pocket for the tag. So it should fit nicely just like this. And now we are going to make the hidden portion of this. So I just put the tag in the pocket until it fit, and then I'm going to mark where the top of the gate is here on either side of that tag, right on top of that house, like this. And mine sort of lined up right with the top of the windowsill. So I'm gonna kind of be using that as where like a guide for where I put my slit. So using this piece of paper here, I'm just going to kind of try to keep my line straight and go from one mark to the other across the top of the window using an X-Acto knife like this. Alright, and now that we have the slit, the tag should slide right into it like this. And you should have it on the back like that. And if you slide the fence down to the bottom of your house, it sort of looks like a little garden gate, and then you just sort of slide the tag and the gate out, and you get the full illusion of opening the garden gate and having your little secret tag there. Alright, so we are going to glue this down to our journal page for today, and we do have a video on how we made this journal and several other projects for the January journal prompts. I will have those linked down below along with this kit and everything else in case you are looking for it. Alright, so adding glue to the outer edge of this piece, we're just going to glue it down to the page, press it down and let it dry, and while that's drying I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of distress ink and antique linen to add my date. And there you go, that is our secret journal page done for the day. Just a really quick and dirty project if you are looking for something to inspire you for today. So, alright, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next tutorial. Bye!